Hello guys, the video just done. It's I just realized that my Bluetooth handset in the vehicle was on, so you couldn't hear what I was saying outside, but maybe now you can hear it when I start it. If you can hear what it sounds like when I try to start it, let's listen now. So it sounds like there's no compression. There's no compression at all. Seems like there's. Let's try again. Yeah, there's no compression in that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try and get it recovered to one of my friend's garage and then try and open the engine up to see what's happening. I don't have all the tools. He have the tools, so to see what's happening there. So I'll update you guys again and let you know what's happening. Okay, thanks, bye.